Ah!
Oh! Dang it.
Man.
Huh, I don't know if it's recording.
Set him up in those weeds. Bounce him in the weeds over right there, the tall ones. Or whichever one.
Oh, look at him, look at him. Look at him. See him?
Mm-mm.
He's right at the base of the tall weed where I'm at right now. Look at him.
Move over towards the right there.
See him, Diane?
Yeah, he's in front of it right here. See him? Down there.
Look at him.
Focus on the bird. Just going, he's getting ready. Put him over it. Oh my god.
Oh! I heard him!
He's pissed.
He yikes like a fucking cat.
He's pissed. He's getting ready to go for it again.
Yeah, he is.
This cycle frog.
He's gonna jump for it. Wow. Move it back towards him.
I'm gonna put it right here on the rock.
He's getting ready to jump. You see him?
See what he does.
He's getting ready to jump again when he was over there.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Look at him.
He's halfway there. Look. You got it, Betty?
He's gonna stab himself.
You got it,
Yeah.
Betty? Leave it there, Tony. I want to see.
Oh! Probably taking fucking birds.
It's got that pokey thing on its feet, though. It's probably poking him.
Dang, you hit it hard.
Wow. Why does he want to eat birds? Put it back over there. He's trying to get it.
Are you filming that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Oh, he's going to try a new tactic. Look at him.
Uh-huh.
He's there.
Oh, he got it!
Wow.
Did you see his mouth open up? He grabbed it.
Okay, so you're going to go separate.
Mm-hmm.